So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal no contact love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay, Pisces, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. The person that you are in no communication or no contact with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Six of Wands, the High Priestess, and the Knight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Pentacles. This is somebody who feels like they should put in the effort and energy and their resources in the right direction, where they are going to create something step by step and they are going to get the results also. Right now, this person is feeling like they should shift their focus on the practical matters of their life instead of being emotional and investing in something that might or might not be okay for them in the coming future. That is their deep rooted feelings. When it comes to the conscious level feelings, this person is feeling like they should shift all of their focus on themselves. They should be the center of attention of their own world, and they feel like they should calm down and they should listen to their intuition. They should follow their intuition, and their intuition is continuously telling them to not to operate from any kind of passionate or energy, any kind of impulsive energy, any kind of immature on and off or in and out kind of energies. They feel like they should take the responsibility of their actions. They should take the responsibility of their feelings and their thoughts, and they should not act out of any kind of impulse or infatuation or attraction. And especially this kind of energy of being restless about something. So they feel like shifting all of their focus on themselves and those parts of their life where they can get something good in return when they are going to invest in something. So being practical, being logical, this is what they're feeling regarding this situation. To be honest with you, I don't see they are feeling too much connected or too much deep. They feel on and off fleeting emotions. Sometimes they feel like they should connect and then they feel like they should not, then they feel like connecting and then they feel like they should not. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? So we have the Nine of Cups and the Six of Cups and the Five of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Wands. They just want to put the situation from on a deeper level. This person, their intention is to put the situation on the backside, on the back seat, and they want to move forward towards something else or someone else, with something else or someone else. Right now, this person doesn't want to focus on this situation that much deeply, okay, on a deeper level. And on a conscious level, their intentions are here to fulfill their desire, fulfill their wish of making this situation as beautiful, as loving, as caring as it used to be at some point of time. And they want to remove this abandonment issues, this trust issues, this feeling left out in the cold kind of issues. Basically, this person wants to resolve the issues between you and them, and they want to bring the love and care and happiness back in this situation as it used to be at some point of time. So either they want the situation completely as it used to be or they don't want it at all. That is what their intentions are regarding this situation. And right now this person wants to push this situation deliberately to the back seat, because right now their focus is on themselves. Basically, when it comes to this energy of consciously what they want from you, from this situation, they want to restore the situation exactly how it used to be. This is their wish fulfillment, this is their desire fulfillment. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month, July 2026. Pisces. We have the Chariot, the Star, the Empress. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. They are going to make it a point that they are going to be super focused on themselves and nothing else. No one else can snatch their independence, their freedom, their focus from themselves, right? That is their internal energy. Externally, there are good chances that this person might talk to you on a very positive note. They might talk to you about the future direction of the situation. They might talk to you about how you guys can proceed further, especially if you're carrying their child or you have kids together, and or if you guys were married and for the timing there is some kind of rift going on. This outcome, this action is for those people who are who were in a very serious relationship and there is a rift right now. This is not for those who are separated from last 3 years or 4 years or last 1 year. There is no communication at all. I think this is for those people where either you are carrying their child, or you guys have kids together, or you guys have finances together, or you guys were married and the marriage is still on. You guys are not legally divorced or separated. There are good chances of them talking to you about the future direction of this situation and bringing some kind of positivity and hope back in the situation. There are quite good chances of that, and they are going to make sure that both of you are going to be on the same page of healing the situation, bringing the situation back to life, and making the situation go towards positivity in the future. But they are going to make it a point that they are not going to lose their independence, their freedom, or their sense of individuality because of this situation, even if they are going to be with you. Hmm. For others of you, I think this person is going to be continuously focused on their own growth and expansion and their own happiness. They are going to be moving forward, even if you guys are going to talk with each other, even if you guys are going to feel like there's a potential of growth and expansion. I don't think so they are going to be that much involved in the situation the way you want it to be. Hmm? For others of you, for those who are married or committed or having kids or planning kids or having some kind of adjustment together, they might be looking forward to have a good connection, good bond with you. Take it how it resonates with you according to the situation. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself here in the reading. If this is not resonating, this is definitely not for you. Okay, let me see what could be the possible guidance for you guys for this situation for this month. We have the Justice and the Seven of Swords and the Two of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Pentacles. Continuously waiting and watching and hoping for something to change might not change anything in your life, Pisces. If you're continuously putting this situation on hold, putting this confrontation on hold, putting this energy of wanting to sort things out in this situation and bringing the balance, bringing the justice back on hold, it might never happen. You guys have to do the justice with yourself, do the justice with the situation, bring the truth and the clarity of the situation on the table, and then see the situation from a fair lens, not in this illusion or delusion. Oh, they still love me, they still want me, maybe they are busy, they are doing this. No, the person who wants to be with you is going to stay with you no matter what. First thing. Second thing, even if somebody is trying to stay with you but they are not clear with you, they are not honest with you, all they are bringing on the table is deception, lies, cheating, manipulation, unclear thoughts, unclear emotions, unclear energies, they are not worth it. You have to do the justice with yourself, Pisces. If you are not going to do it for yourself, nobody else is going to do that for you. Why will anybody else going to do the justice with you? Why should anybody else bring the justice on the table for you if you are not going to do that for yourself? Why? Nobody else is going to do that. If you are going to be in the victim mode, if you are going to be, I cannot survive with them, I cannot nobody can help you. You yourself is responsible for this miserable life of yours then, honey. I'm not saying your life is miserable. I'm saying if you are feeling like that, underline. So yeah, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Pisces. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like, okay? And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is this is the sign. Hmm. तस्वीर दिल में बसी यार की Sometimes we find ourselves in limbo, putting off making decisions or taking next steps towards something we are unsure of. If you have been searching for a sign that you should do, leave, or start something, this is that sign. This also means that, depending on the question you have asked, this is an affirmative card and a form of yes. Think of it as your green light to take action. Yep. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.